皆さんこんにちは。Welcome back to my channel. And 明けましておめでとうございます。We've just stepped into 2024 and I'm thrilled to kick off the year with you guys. Wishing you all the joy and success you deserve. The new year known as Oshogatsu is a special time to enjoy and celebrate with your family.In today's video, I'm diving into Japanese New Year's phrases and I will also guide you on expressing your New Year's resolution in Japanese. After the lesson, I'd love to hear your New Year's resolution in Japanese in the comment section down below. I'm excited to read and cheer on your goals for the year ahead. Let's get started.To start off, let's learn some essential Japanese New Year's greeting phrase. The most common expressions are 明けましておめでとうございます or 新年明けましておめでとうございます both meaning Happy New Year. For a more casual version, you can simply say 明けましておめでとう You can say them when you see the people for the first time in the new year.明けましておめでとうございます明けましておめでとうございます新年明けましておめでとうございます新年明けましておめでとうございます明けましておめでとう明けましておめでとう After exchanging New Year's greeting, it's customary to express the hope for continued good relation and goodwill in the coming year by saying 今年もよろしくお願いします or in a more casual way 今年もよろしく今年もよろしくお願いします今年もよろしくお願いします今年もよろしく今年もよろしく明けましておめでとう今年もよろしく明けましておめでとうございますこちらこそよろしくお願いします Now, I will show you some Japanese phrases related to the New Year's resolutions and goals.These phrases will come in handy as you embark on your Japanese learning adventure this year. What are your New Year's resolutions? In Japanese, 今年の目標は何ですか？新年の抱負は何ですか？ My New Year's resolution. 今年の目標は一人でも多くの人に日本に興味を持ってもらうことです。My goal is to have as many people as possible become interested in Japan. Let's learn some phrases. 目標を立てる目標を立てる means to set a goal. 目標 is a goal and 立てる is to set. Use this phrase when expressing your intention to set a goal in any aspect of life, such as personal development, work, or as I believe many of you are learning Japanese. Let's practice. 目標を立てる目標を立てる新しい年が始まったので今年の目標を立てました The new year has begun, so I set my goals for this year.のスキルを上げるのスキルを上げる means improve blah blah skill. Skill is the same as the English word skill and 上げる means to improve. This phrase expresses a desire to enhance one's proficiency in certain skills. Let's practice. のスキルを上げるのスキルを上げる日本語のスキルを上げる I will improve my Japanese skills 毎日をする毎日をする means I will blah blah every day. Use it when expressing a routine or habit that you plan to do regularly. Simply fill in the blank with a specific activity you plan to do every day. Let's practice. 毎日をする毎日をする毎日日本語の勉強をする I will practice Japanese every day を始めるを始める means to start. This phrase is used to convey initiation of a new activity or habit. Just add the specific activity or habit you are starting before the phrase. Let's practice. を始めるを始める新しい趣味を始めることにしました。I've decided to start a new hobby. をやめるをやめる means to quit. This phrase is used to when expressing the decision to quit or discontinue a particular activity or habit. Just add the activity or habit you are quitting before the phrase. Let's practice. をやめるをやめるタバコをやめることにしました。I've decided to quit smoking. することが目標です。することが目標です means my goal is to blah blah blah. As mentioned earlier, 目標 means goal. Use this phrase to express a specific action or goal you aim to achieve. Simply add the goal you are targeting in place of the blank. Let's practice. することが目標です。することが目標です。毎日新しい単語を覚えることが目標です。My goal is to learn new vocabulary every day. Let's put these phrases into practice with some example sentences you might use when you're talking about your New Year's resolutions. 今年は日本語のリスニングスキルを上げることが目標です。今年は日本語のリスニングスキルを上げることが目標です。This year, my goal is to improve my Japanese listening skills. 毎日 YouTube を見て日本語を勉強するつもりです。毎日 YouTube を見て日本語を勉強するつもりです。I will watch YouTube videos to study Japanese every day. 新しい単語を覚えて日本のアニメをもっと理解できるようにすることが目標です。新しい単語を覚えて日本のアニメをもっと理解できるようにすることが目標です。My goal for this year is to learn new words and become better at understanding Japanese anime. 今年の目標はダイエットを始めることです。今年の目標はダイエットを始めることです。This year, my goal is to start a diet. 健康的な食生活を始めるためにジャンクフードをやめることにしました。健康的な食生活を始めるためにジャンクフードをやめることにしました。To start a healthy diet, I've decided to quit eating junk food. Have you set any New Year's resolutions? Share them using the phrases you learned today down below. Thank you for joining me in exploring Japanese New Year's phrases and setting New Year's resolutions. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Wishing you a year filled with growth, joy, and success. それでは次の動画で会いましょう。ではまた。